Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to generate Amazon affiliate link on iPhone. All right, so let's begin with the video. If you need to generate a link on your mobile device and you don't have access to your desktop computer, here's how you can do it really easily. First, you want to open up Google Chrome on your device. Then at the search bar at the top, we want to enter in amazon.com, like so. This will take you to the Amazon website. And next, we're going to need to sign in to our account. From here, we'll be logged into our Amazon account. Once signed in, we still can't see the Amazon affiliate link at the top. The way we can turn that on is by going to the three dots at the bottom here. Then we want to open up this menu and tap on where it says Request Desktop Site. Now, if we zoom into the top of our screen, we can see the Get Link button. This is for our Amazon affiliate link. If we go ahead and tap on that, we can go ahead and copy our affiliate link. So that's basically how you can generate Amazon affiliate link on iPhone. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.